Hey, I want to welcome you back to the farm. We just got back on a little road trip, hour and 15 minutes each way, and we got a couple new animals here. So, got a couple new piggies, and they're half Berkshire, half Duroc. So, they're both males. So, I'm actually pretty excited about the breed of it. I know Berkshire's got real good meat, and the Duroc's supposed to be large. So, and they're pretty big now. They're not that old. Last ones we got were, about like that. So, I'm real happy with the size and the price. And of course, we had to go a little ways to get them, but you can't hardly get good pigs anymore. I mean, everybody's got them old coonies and some other junky stuff, and we raise them for meat. We don't want to spend 2.5 years raising a pig to eat, and it ain't no good at then. So these are supposed to be really good. The guy said he was a homesteader too. Had meat chickens. I think they sold at the farmer's market. So real nice people. I hope to get some more from him if these do pretty good. Maybe the next batch he has. So anyway, we were real happy with them. They were real nice. He loaded them up for us and all that, or his kids loaded them up for us, which was pretty nice. And so anyway, we're tickled to death. All right, that's it. That's our new little piggies. Still got the old devil pig, and hopefully I can get that thing. I'm gonna get a processing date on it, get it out of here, and we'll put these back in that place. So, but I'm gonna temporary these. I don't know exactly where yet. But we're going to, I'm gonna go change my clothes and get them situated, and just a little update on our animals. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.